ipon pampaanak para dagdagan mo pa ang gastos nyo sa kasal? Huwag kang tatakbo sa akin pag nangailangan kayo.
Hindi po talaga ako tatakbo sa inyo. Kakayanin ko. Pinangako ko kay Grace na pananagutan ko sila ng magiging anak namin.
Hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng basbas sa pagpapakasal ninyo. At kung balak mong mamanhikan sa pamilya nitong si Grace, gawin mong mag-isa.
Abangan, mamaya sa Dear Love.
Visit Amayat de la Rosa Fine Jewelry branch near you for your online shopping. Visit www.mayatdelarosa.com and follow Mayat de la Rosa on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Mayat de la Rosa Fine Jewelry. Elegance has a new name.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Gold, makabloom sa charm. Walang amoy kulong, kahit sampay sa loob. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Miss, yung right bed nito.
Meron kaming iba.
Miss, doon ako sa kilala ko na at pinagkakatiwalaan ko. Kaya, basta right med. Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Di kalidad at abot kayang gamot, ipilit at hingin. Basta RightMed. Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
Jolina Magdangal po for Champion. Ang hilig natin sa mura. Pero totoo bang tipid ito? Wow, 50 pesos na payong. Wow, baliko agad. Hindi tipid. Ganyan ba ang gamit mong detergent? Mura, pero nagdadagdag ka ng bleach. Sa new and improved Champion Quick and Easy Clean, totoong tipid. Sapat na, di kailangan i-bleach. Dahil ang Champion, laging nag-i-improve. Champion Quick and Easy Clean, tapat po sa inyo.
Para sa mga minamahal naming biyahero, thank you for choosing Biogesic sa biyaheng ginhawa from headache. Jody Santa Maria po, tandaan, ang headache ay pwedeng makaantala sa inyong biyahe. Kaya sa inyong hand carry items, dapat laging may Biogesic, anytime, anywhere. Ingat!
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol is a generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
This is easy hugasin sa Champion Dishwashing. Easy hugas.
Oops, teka. Itatry mo ba ang new Champion Dishwashing Paste dahil may jingle o dahil sa galing nito? Ang Champion Dishwashing, walang ingredient na doble-doble at mahirap i-pronounce. Galing lang, sapat na. Tanggal mumu, sebo at dikitang bakterya sa hugasin. Sa new Champion Dishwashing Paste, is easy ang hugasin. Try mo. Kung di ka happy, balik ka sa dati. Champion, tapat po sa inyo.
Sali na sa Tiki-Tiki Bigating Papremyo sa Barangay Raffle Promo. Bumili ng Tiki-Tiki plus any participating brand for one entry. Pwedeng manalo ng grocery, cellphone o e-bike. Yan ang tatak Tiki-Tiki.
Promo runs from April 1 to July 15, 2026 per DOH FDA CDRR permit number 1364 series of 2025. Mahalagang paalala, ang Tiki-Tiki ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang healthy naman ng anak mo. Naku, sakitin din yan.
Ang batang mukhang healthy, pwede pa rin magka-immunity gap. Bago pa magkasakit, unahan mo na with Celine Plus. Tumutulong punuin ang vitamin C and zinc. Tulong para protektado araw-araw. Help stop immunity gap with proper diet and exercise. Mag Celine Plus araw-araw.
Unilab quality yan.
Ascorbic acid plus zinc is the generic name of Celine Plus. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Celine Plus. Ang batang mukhang healthy, baka may immunity gap na. Help stop immunity gap. Mag-Celine Plus araw-araw.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Pre, mukhang nakakaluwag-luwag na tayo ah.
Siyempre, dahil sa InDrive, mababa lang ang commission fee kaya mas malaki ang take-home mo araw-araw. InDrive, malaking kita, low commission. Based on Jan to Feb 2026 standard commission rates compared with major TNCs. InDrive is an LTFRB compliant platform with valid provisional authority or certificates of public convenience. Join InDrive and earn more with low commission.
Discover the beauty of playing brightly with New Star Online, a world of smart play and luxury entertainment now in your hands. New Star Online. Have fun. Take it easy. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. Email at responsiblegaming@pagcor.ph.
Play smart. Play bright with New Star Online. Have fun. Take it easy. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. Email at responsiblegaming@pagcor.ph.
Ang husay!
So easy to use. Everest washing machine. Han, sino ever best partner mo in the world?
Siyempre, it's you, babe.
Everest washing machine. Easy wash, easy clean. Ever best from Everest.
Everest Appliances, bringing quality and wellness close to home. Health, wellness, and energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Tayong mga lalaki, kayod araw-araw. Kahit sagad na, lahat kinakaya. Buti na lang may bagong Revicon. Ang Strongman's Multivitamin. May 5 times more muscle-building lysine versus previous formulation. Revicon, tulong para mas sagad ang lakas mo with proper diet and exercise.
Unilab quality yan.
Multivitamins, minerals, amino acids is the generic name of Revicon. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
This is easy hugasin sa champion dishwashing. Easy hugas.
Oops, teka. Itatry mo ba ang new Champion Dishwashing Paste dahil may jingle o dahil sa galing nito? Ang Champion Dishwashing, walang ingredient na doble-doble at mahirap i-pronounce. Galing lang, sapat na. Tanggal mumu, sebo at dikitang bakterya sa hugasin. Sa new Champion Dishwashing Paste, is easy ang hugasin. Try mo. Kung di ka happy, balik ka sa dati. Champion, tapat po sa inyo.
Mga ka-senior, Bossing Vic Soto po. Umaaray na ba sa presyo ng senior milk? Ang Birch Tree Advance
Same nutrition, half the price.
versus leading senior milk brand. Sabi ng nutritionist ko.
May triple advanced power, tulong pampalakas ng muscle at bone, immunity, brain at heart. With a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, mag-Birch Tree Advance na.
Same nutrition, half the price.
Versus leading senior milk brand. Birch Tree Advance. Same nutrition, half the price. Versus leading senior milk brand. Get triple advanced power with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle.
Sa Love Radio, saya'y di bitin. Makinig ka lang, ika'y siswertihin. Tatlong winners ng tig-1,000 at grocery items worth 500 pesos. Paano? Pag nahuli ka namin sa akto na nakikinig sa Love Radio, paldo! Basic! Kaya ngayong krisis, pwede mo nang i-chismis kung paano magka-cash. Sa kasama mo, Love! Kasama mo, Love! Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Kasama mo kami kabisyo.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Love Radio.